Hello and welcome back to ENG ENGINE, and my name is Bharati. In this video, let us learn how to compare one thing to the other thing. How do we compare? How do we compare a person, animals or birds, things or objects? We compare one thing to the other thing by using the describing words. What are the describing words? Say, for example, she is a smart girl. In this sentence, smart is the word which is describing the noun girl. So, smart is the adjective. Smart is the word which is describing the noun. So, the smart is an adjective. The word which describes a noun is called an adjective. And let me give you one more example. The dog runs fast. In this sentence, how does the dog run? Fast. So this fast describes the word run, and run is the action word. The action word is called a verb. So the word which describes a verb is called an adverb. So adjective describes a noun and adverb describes a verb. So we use the describing words, that is the adjectives or the adverbs, to describe or to compare one thing to the other thing. Now let us see. By changing the form of an adjective or an adverb, we can denote the degree of quality of a person, place or thing. So by changing the form of an adjective or adverb, we can denote the degree of quality. What is this degree of quality? There are three degrees of qualities. There are three degrees of quality. Let us see them one by one. The degrees, they are three in number. 3 degrees. The first one is the positive degree. Next is the comparative degree. Then comes the superlative degree. So the degrees are of three types. One is positive degree. The second one is comparative degree, and the third one is the superlative degree. Now let us see this one by one. The first one, positive degree. What is this positive degree? Positive degree refers to one's quality in its actual form. That is actual form. Whatever the form is, it is given in the same way. So if you say small, the ant is small, so it is given as small. If you say sugar is sweet, it is just given as sweet. If you say the giraffe is tall, we give as a tall. So in positive degree, the adjective or the adverb is given in its actual form. Now let's see the comparative degree. Comparative degree compares the quality of two or more persons or places or animals or thing. So it compares the quality of two or more persons, two or more things it compares. So how does it compare? We use this ER to compare one thing to the other. Small becomes smaller, sweet becomes sweeter, tall becomes taller. So if we give this in a sentence, the ant is smaller than a rat. The ant is smaller than a rat. So we use the smaller than. Here we have one noun and here we have the other noun. So we compare ant to the rat. So we use this comparative degree. We compare with more than two or more persons. So we use ER to use the comparative degree. Next we have the superlative degree. It refers to the comparison of the highest of two or more persons or places or animals or things. So superlative degree gives the highest form of comparison. It gives the highest degree of comparison. So how do we write that highest degree? We use EST with the adjective or the adverb. So small becomes smallest, sweet becomes sweetest, and tall becomes tallest. For example, ant is the smallest insect. Ant is the smallest insect. So we have this EST form. It gives the highest degree of comparison. It gives the highest degree. So this is how we compare. This is just an introduction. In the next coming classes, I will give you a deep explanation about each degree and how to use the words in the comparative form and in the superlative form. If you find this video useful, kindly like and share. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon. Also leave your comments and queries down in the suggestion box. Thanks for watching.